First exercise, barbell squat. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, engage your core, and lower your hips back and down, keeping your chest up and knees tracking over toes. Push through your heels to return to standing, maintaining control to maximize quad and glute engagement. Second exercise, leg extension. Sit on the leg extension machine with a straight back, engage your core, and extend your legs until nearly straight, keeping toes pointed slightly up. Lower the weight slowly with control to maximize quadriceps engagement and avoid jerking. Third exercise, lying leg curl. Lie face down on the leg curl machine. Engage your core and curl the weight toward your glutes, keeping hips pressed into the bench. Lower the weight slowly with control to maximize hamstring engagement and avoid jerking. Fourth exercise, standing calf raise. Stand with feet hip-width apart, engage your core, and raise your heels off the ground, pushing through the balls of your feet. Lower your heels slowly with control to maximize calf engagement and avoid bouncing. Fifth exercise, seated calf raise. Sit on the calf raise machine with knees bent. Engage your core and raise your heels by pushing through the balls of your feet. Lower the heels slowly with control to maximize soleus engagement and avoid bouncing.